Yeah, help mommy. We're gonna build it. You ready to build it? Good job. Gentle hands. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Excited?
Excited.
All right. Step 1. Is that what it says? Mommy needs those, please. Can you bring those to mommy? Cannot lose them. Do you have 2? 1. Good job. Can you bring them to mommy? Okay. Stay. It's coming together. Your climbing triangle's done. What do you think? You can climb on it. Can you climb? Look, step like mommy. Step, I am just under the 150. So, I mean way under the 150. Hold on both hands. You can step up and down.
And almost nice. It is nice.
It is like Elmo's slide.
It's almost nice. It
And you can get down. So it took us just over an hour, like an hour and 10 minutes, by myself with a toddler. Almost 22 months. She's also very cautious, so. Look, go under here. This way. It's a little fort. It's like a teepee. Do you like? Oh, there you are.
It's nice.
Want to do the slide? Slide!
Oh, what's so Daddy?
You want to show Daddy? Daddy, come look.
Where are you?
Quick, in the living room. Quick like a bunny, Daddy.
Careful.
Careful.
Oh, wow.
Yay!
That thing looks awesome.
You should have seen her. She just walked up of it by herself. Go slow.
Where's the dangerous one? Good job.
Hold on to your triangle, and then we. Yay!
Good job, Landon.
Isn't that awesome, Daddy?
That's awesome.
Outside.
Yeah, Mommy put the slide. Mommy and I put the slide outside. Yeah. It's outside. Yeah, under the slide? Oh, that was a great idea, Mommy, putting white pants on. What? did it, Landon. Wanna try it again? Ready? Watch mommy. Here we go. Down the slide. Mommy, put down the slide. Ready? Here it comes. Here it comes. One of the short dowels.
Yeah.